Hello student, I hope you are doing well in your studies. Student, in this video I am going to show you about ordered list. Student, in HTML we can make three types of list. One is unordered list, second is ordered list, and third is description list. So in this video I will show you how to make ordered list. Student, what is ordered list? Ordered list is also called number list. Ordered list is also called number list. To make an order list, we use OL tag. It is a container tag. It starts and ends. Student, since it is an ordered list, there are many types of number list. One is number, one is alphabet, one is Roman numbers, one is number, one is uppercase letter, one is lowercase letter, one is Roman number, uppercase Roman number, lowercase Roman number. So there are 5 types of number list are present. You can make. Student, so what are the attributes of OL tag? Let's talk about type attribute of OL tag. One is number, one is uppercase letter. So type, what are the attributes of OL tag? Type attribute. Let's talk about type attribute. It has following values: 1 uppercase letter, lowercase letter, uppercase Roman numeral, lowercase Roman numeral, and one is reverse attribute. It group the items in descending order. And start attribute, student, by default list starts with number 1, but if you want to start with any specific number like 4 or 5, we can use start attribute. And we can also style a list using CSS. What is CSS? CSS stands for cascading style sheets, and it's the list style attribute. We can change the style of the list in HTML. Student, cascading style sheet we use to change the look to make attractive the HTML page, web page. So as you know that we use type attribute, we can use the type attribute in CSS also. So its property is list style type. It allows to control the shape or appearance of the marker. So it has following values: decimal 1, 2, 3, decimal leading 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, lower Roman, upper Roman, lower alpha, upper alpha. And list style image is in this property we can specify the URL of an image. As you know, URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator. It is the position where image is located in our computer hard disk. Next is list style position. By default our list is shown in HTML page in a box. So list style position has 2 values, one inside and outside. By default the position is outside, and if we specify the value inside, our numbers or bullet will be shown in inside the box. It can be used to make a list inside a list. Next is style, list style. In this, all the values can be, all the properties into a single expression. Now student, let's see with an example how to make. Let's open a notepad. Let's write a code. Title tag. Next is body tag. Inside the body tag, already. Alive. Tiger. Now close this list. Close the body tag. Close the HTML tag. Save it with the name orally.html. The desktop. That's it. Open the browser. Location. Type the URL. So it is the output. You can see the student. This is the output. I have zoomed. So student, this is the box. So by default the list is number list, but if I change using type attribute, if I change it with A, so it will come here. Now student, using CSS I show you how to change the position of the code. So I make one more list. So I use the attribute style attribute of CSS. So list style type 1, I use circle, and let's define the position. Position outside. Here you can say this circle, now copy paste. So make new list where you will take circle alphabet. By default it is position is changed, it become inside. So student, this is all about ordered list. Have a nice day.